So I came up here in my last video and I told you all we're going to be experimenting online businesses and creating cash flow from them, right? Well, let's get deeper into it. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Faith the Billionaire, and on this channel we learn, grow and create many streams of income together. So sit back while we discuss the 3 vehicles to making money online. But before we go into those, let me give you a little motivation for today. Progress isn't loud. Yes, I said that. Progress isn't loud. Progress is consistency in doing what you do. That's just what progress is. The more you do it, the more progress you get. So let's get into our 3 vehicles. Let's ride. The first vehicle we are going to be looking at on this series is digital skills. The first vehicle to making money online is having a digital skill, being a master in digital skill, having a high income, to be specific, a high income digital skill. And one of the ones I've been hearing about is media buying and copywriting. So you might want to research that. The other digital skills involve graphic designing, web development, social media management, and video editing. It goes on, and you can do your research on that, master it, and you can get jobs online. You can get jobs that pay you in dollars. The more you know on this job, right, the more you earn. So it's a capital free business that you can start up without even having capital. Just go on YouTube and learn it, master it, and then build your own portfolio, right? So you can start by doing free works, and then people see how good you are and they start hiring you, and you are paid good cash. Well, moving to the next vehicle is digital products, where everyday people are learning, right? You came here to listen to me. You go somewhere to listen. You go to seminars. You go to so many places to listen to many people talk. Yes, because you know that they have something to say. They have something tangible to say, right? Yes, these people, sometimes these intelligent, intellectual people usually turn their knowledge towards business. We call it the knowledge business. They turn all their knowledge into ebooks, templates, digital download guidelines on achieving what they have achieved, and they put it on digital websites, and people pay for their knowledge. Basically, that's what it is. This is a kind of business that you do once, you create your ebook once, and you relax, and the money keeps coming in. So moving forward is affiliate marketing. I know we've had a lot of bad reviews about affiliate marketing, but simply put, affiliate marketing is just recommending another person's product for a commission. Very simple. You recommend a phone, you recommend a tripod, you recommend a jewelry, you recommend a shoe, and then someone else buys from your link and you get a commission. Sometimes it can be as high as 50%. And affiliate marketing now is divided into 2. You could be an affiliate for a digital product or an affiliate for a physical product. Let me dive deeper into this, right? As a digital affiliate marketer, you've seen somebody that has good knowledge on a particular topic, right? You see somebody that has knowledge on rentals, on real estate, and this person has written a book on step by step on how to make money using real estate without capital. Yes, he has written that, and then you read through it and you know that it's impactful, and you say let me come to my community. This is social media, right? And let me come to my community and tell them that I've read this book, right? This book is impactful, and I'm working towards starting what he has written in this ebook, right? Buy it from me. Simple. Buy it for me, let's grow together. That's very simple. Moving to physical products now, a tailor sews a beautiful dress for you, and you tell your friend, this is my dress, it's so pretty, come to my tailor, let him sew for you. Now you go to your tailor and say, my friend is coming here, she wants to sew her clothes. You are going to give me 10%. Simple. You are going to give me 10%. If she's paying 10,000, that means 1,000 is mine. That's just simple affiliate marketing. So it's not something that you have to your brain about. That's just simple affiliate marketing. So for us to like put these vehicles together and put ourselves together, because whether you have mastered a digital skill, you are a digital marketer, or you are an affiliate marketer, you have to be a good content creator. Yes, you have to do content that converts. So you have to be good at content. Yes, you must put your face in front of a camera and talk and tell people, this is what I do, this is what I sell, this is what I recommend. So either ways, you have to be a content creator. If not, you have to pay a content creator to make content for you that converts. So simply put, these are the 3 vehicles, and content creation is a plus. It's like a channel to exploring all those 3 vehicles. Another one is forex and crypto trading, but we are not going to be getting into those ones. So if you are interested in those ones, you can go and do the research for yourself. But these are the three main vehicles that we'll be discussing on this channel. So you please comment on the vehicle you want us to start with. Should we master a digital skill? And if we are mastering a digital skill, which digital skill should we master? So put your comments there. Should we master it? Should we create our own digital product, or we could become affiliates? So put it down on the comment section, and please subscribe to this channel. Let's keep learning, growing, and building online streams of income together. I am Faith the Billionaire once again. Make sure to stay fabulous and rich. Thank you.